was holding the camera the whole time for nothing. I had it on photo. Hi. Hello, sweetie. Hi, I'm just out here for a break. And nice to see you. I see you. You came from under the deck. Hey. Were you sleeping under there? Ah. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you got some food there, I see. Yeah, you got some food. You gonna eat? Oh, that's good. Okay, you eat your food. Yeah. You eat some food. Yeah. Yeah. Was that easy to get out of there? Huh. It should be. Your dish is backwards. Your water's in your dish. Food dish. With your whiskers, is it hard to get out of there a little bit? Aw. Okay, I'm gonna go eat my food. Okay, I'll be going to eat my food. See you later.